Hello and welcome back. Today I'm continuing on with my list of the small things that I'm trying to get all completed by the end of February. Today is definitely one of the mice in the rats and mice. It's a simple one, but I have to do it. I need to put catches on my buffet cabinet here, and it's a simple job, but I haven't done it, like so many other things. If you're new to my channel, I'm Deirdre, and I'm spending February getting through those tasks that have to be done but are small, and so you put them off and you go, I'll do them later. Oh, it's just a small thing, I'll do it later. But later doesn't come, and so they pile up. So this is the month when I'm spending the sort of like an anti-procrastination month, and I'm spending the time doing that. This idea came from Sophia over at My Great Challenge, who said that she was going to start a whole month of doing lots of cleaning around her house, her 28-day challenge. And I thought it was a great idea. She invited lots of other people if we would like to participate, and I thought it was great. So I've done that along with people like Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life and Dee at My Lovely Life, I think. And I've put Sophia's channel down here and the link to that playlist, and it's well worth following up. There are so many other YouTubers in there doing this challenge. So if you'd like to see a little bit more of these challenge days, then please subscribe, and I'm going to go ahead and get this little catch onto the buffet. So it's all about making sure that that is in alignment when I mark where these catches can go. So that's the door flush, and that's the magnet lined up. All the little screws that fit come with the kit, so I have to get a very small drill bit to drill into the cupboard so that I can screw these in. Now once again I'm going to drill the little holes for it, I can't really see, and I've marked with washi tape, so you can see, marked with washi tape where I need to drill through to, which is approximately the length of the screw that I'm going to be using that came with the packet. Should just have the other drill out as well. I'd have one with a drill and one with the screwdriver. Okay, so I've marked on the door where this little catch should go. I've marked where it needs to fit with pencil, and now I'm going to drill where the pencil holes are. Now because I've got a few of the holes to drill, I'm going to leave my drill bit on my main drill, and I've got this little screwdriver one. It's a little baby Bosch, which is just too cute for words, but it's a great little screwdriver. Just saves me from switching them in and out all the time. Now I can mark where to put the little plate that the magnet grips to. Nicely lined up, and I'll pull it off. Perfect. It's a nice satisfying little sound. Right, that's one done. Now this one actually has some holes here that look awfully close to where I need them, which is good. Let's just make sure that I'm putting the latch in the right place. Closing the door. Get my torch back in there so I can light what I'm seeing, what I'm doing. Pop that back out of the way so you can see as well. Oops, that one slipped. And here's the last one going in. Done. Now the little catch is on. So I'll close this one. Clink, clink. Nice, shut, held in place. Finished. This side is all finished and done. I had the other ones to do this side with. When I looked at it, you see that this has dropped, so I'm going to have to lift the hinges, do something. I'll have to lift the hinges up because that is going to drive me crazy. You see the handles aren't even because this door has dropped down, so I'm not going to put catches on it because I'm going to have to fix that, and it's another one to go onto my list of small things to do. The job is half done, but there's a bit more to do before I can say it's complete. And that's another half a job finished. Though it turned out that the job was a bit bigger than I thought it was. I'm going to have to fix those hinges before I can put catches on the other side. It will drive me crazy. And I knew, oh look, I knew the handles weren't even. I just haven't looked at it and thought about it. So as soon as I did, I can see what I need to do. I'll fix those and then I'll put the catches on. But at least one side's done. Now, I've still got quite a long list of things that I need to do. So I'll be back tomorrow and I've got particular ones I want to get done. And then I think it's time for an apartment tour because we haven't had one for a while. So let me know if you think that's a good idea. There've been a lot of new people, so perhaps you'd like me to walk around and a few changes, a few things I've added in. Oh, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so that you can follow along. I'll be back, as I said, I'll be back tomorrow with some more of these little jobs. Oh, I don't really want to do those hinges just now, but I'll think about that. I hope that whatever you're doing, that you're having a lovely time, and I'll see you soon. Bye.